This cold shower was actually what I really needed. Oh.
Babe?
Hey.
How was your day?
My day was good.
Did anything interesting happen at work today?
No, not really.
Okay. So you're not going to ask me how school went?
Oh, how was school today?
It was okay. You know my friend Susan, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's this new lecturer that she likes. He's one of those single lecturers. She's head over heels in love with him and he doesn't even give a... Kelvin? Kelvin!
Yes?
You're not listening to me.
No, I'm listening to you.
Okay, what did I say?
You were talking about one girl like that.
Right.
Wait. Babe, where are you going?
I wasn't talking about one girl like that. I was talking about my friend, Susan. You were not just paying attention.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You know,
What?
if you ever catch me trying to gist with you again, call me a chicken.
Oh. Chicken! Wait.
Leave me.
No. Just tell me. Come tell me a story.
Look, I'm not interested in telling you.
Tell me.
I am not interested.
You have
in
to
telling
tell
you
me.
again. No, leave me.
You have to tell me.
Leave me alone.
We're gonna have problems.
But you were not listening to me when I was telling
I'm
you.
listening to you now. Talk to me. Talk to Daddy. Who's this person? Huh? What's with all these weird messages? Okay.
Hello.
Ifoma, if you're the one behind these anonymous calls and text messages, stop it.
What are you talking about?
I have warned you. I am going to marry Divine whether you like her or not.
Kelvin, listen to my advice. I'm your sister. I want what is good for you.
What makes you think you know what's good for me?
Kelvin, calm down. Calm down, Kwanu. I don't know anything about these messages you are talking about.
Sometimes I wish he were more involved in the relationship. I hate the fact that I'm the one always initiating everything.
Divine. Every other day you're always about my boyfriend. At least you have a boyfriend. This guy cares about you. He loves you. He treats you right. I honestly don't know what you're complaining about.
I'm not complaining.
I am just saying, this guy is working. Come on. He doesn't have all the time in the world to attend to your every whim. Trust me, if you were working, you wouldn't even notice all these things.
Babes, I'm not asking him to attend to my every whim.
Okay. So please channel all this energy that you're wailing about your boyfriend. So introduce me to one of his single friends.
You know, if you were paying attention to everything I said, you would have heard when I said he doesn't go out, which means he doesn't have that many friends. To the best of my knowledge, all his friends are married.
I see. All of you in relationship are just the same.
Excuse you?
Once someone says, introduce us single Pringles to your boyfriend's friend, you start coming up with excuses.
Why even sounding like this? Why would I be making up excuses? Of what use will that be?
So you're trying to tell me that all this while you've been dating this guy, you've not met any of his friends?
Babe, I know your spec. I've not met anyone you'd be interested in.
Okay. No problem. Hey, we are already late for Mr. Bad's class. Please.
Who is making us late? You're the one I'm waiting for. Hurry up, let's go. Honestly, like, this whole thing is really bothering me. It's really, really bothering me.
Good morning.
Morning, baby.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm ready to go.
Where are you going to?
Work, of course.
Oh, that's true.
And I'll be picking my cousin from the airport later today.
Which of your cousins?
Chima, the one in Abuja.
Okay.
He has some businesses to take care of, so he'll be staying for about 2 to 3 weeks.
That's fine. What would you like me to make? Rice or soup? Or...
You know, anything you make is delicious. It's up to you.
Okay.
I'll see you later, all right?
All right, baby.
All right.
I love you. I love you too.
I'm coming.
How are you?
I'm good. It's so good to see you.
I am hungry. Please, do you have food in this house? Please.
You have come again. You and food are like 5 and 6. Always hungry.
Oh. I'm not asking for food because I'm hungry or anything.
Really?
Yes, please, don't get it twisted, okay?
Okay.
See, what is doing me right now is no longer hunger. It's called starvation. Please, get me the food.
So you're starving and you're still begging with pride.
Please don't insult me. I'm not a beggar.
Sorry, no vex.
Because I'm asking for food doesn't mean I don't have food in my house.
Big girl.
Yes, I have cat food,
Okay.
rat food, insect food. As a matter of fact, things that I can sell to buy food. And sometimes I keep seeing those cockroaches hustling in my house. And I'm wondering what they're actually doing there. Even the rats have gone on strike.
Stop, please stop.
Babe, please. I'm so hungry, please. And sometimes I envy you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I do.
Why?
If I had a boyfriend, I wouldn't be here. Trust me. I'll be in my boyfriend's house cooking local and international delicacies. Yes. And the guy will be thinking I'm doing it for love, not knowing I'm doing it for self-care. Babe, please get me this food. I'm hungry.
Let me get you food before you kill me with laughter.
Please do.
Hungry woman. Wait, Seth. All this food that you keep eating, where does it go to? Because, like, where?
Divine.
Look at you. Like broom. You'll be eating nothing. Oh, yeah, sorry. Let me get you food.
No, come and talk again. Please get me the food, I beg. Babe, hurry, oh.
This rain is actually acting weird today.
Bro, I told you it was gonna rain.
Yeah. Hold on, let me show you something. Here. That's her.
Yeah, I've seen her a couple of times on your Instagram.
Please, take a closer look at her, okay? I don't want you to mistake her for anyone else.
I don't understand what you take me for.
And her name is Divine. Not Amanda, Dima, or any of my exes that you know of.
Bro, you're not serious, man. Nah, but she's cute though.
Yeah.
But she looks like she'd love a lot of attention.
Yes, she does. That's my worry, you know? I always wonder what she's up to when I'm not at home.
But for real though, are you sure this girl is the one?
Yeah, I see a future with her.
Okay. Okay, that's good. I'm really happy for you, man. I hope I get mine someday, you know. Until then, we're still on the streets looking for a good woman now.
Why would you be in the streets looking for a good woman?
Oh, good do.
See, what you're supposed to be looking for is breath. Because people like us that are getting married, we're going to frustrate you.
Wow, nice one, nice one. Wano, why laugh for all the single people now, Abi?
Operation Oppress the Single!
Nah, man, she's beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
Why did I feel like you were going to say that?
Of course, that food was so sweet.
Hey, baby.
You.
I missed you too.
Hi, Kelvin.
Hey. Baby, meet my cousin Chima. Chima, my fiance.
Hi, Chima.
Hello, it is so nice to finally meet you.
Likewise.
And I must say, your pictures don't do you any justice.
I know, right?
She's absolutely gorgeous in person.
Thank you. Yo, let me show you to your room. Yeah?
All right, sure.
Baby, I'll be back, okay? All right. This way.
Wait, calm down. Why did you drag me like that now?
Is that Kelvin's cousin?
Yes.
This guy is so
Cute. You want him?
Is that even a question? I want him.
Calm down. You want everything. Food you want. Now you want man. Oliver Twist. You know what? I will see what I can do.
Better walk it too. This guy is so cute.
He's cute, but he's not as cute as my man.
I beg, consider. I beg. Oh, discuss better thing.
Our wife. Why are you still awake by this time?
I can't sleep.
I know that feeling, Jerry.
What are you watching?
It's one of these reality TV shows, though. To be honest, I don't think any of it is real.
Chima. You're so funny. Honestly, you're the most jovial person I've met since I started meeting Kelvin's family members.
Stop playing. Take a look now. Take a look at my shoulder. It's about to come off my chest.
What's that accent?
All right. Enough about me. Tell me about yourself.
Myself. What's there to tell?
Don't do that. Tell me everything. Tell me about your life.
Look, my life is boring. There's nothing to tell.
Stop it.
I'm serious.
What do you like? Who are you? What do you like to do? How'd you get here? All right, fine. What's your favorite food?
Okay, that's easy. My favorite food is spaghetti.
Oh, spaghetti. Okay, you definitely have to try my special spaghetti bolognese. Oh, really? You know what? One of these days I'll make it for you.
You're going out already?
Yes, I have a meeting to attend.
A meeting to attend.
Yes. What are you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm trying to get a quickie out of you.
Baby, you're going to make me late.
Come on. Stop hiding the plate.
Hey. I am not doing this with you this morning.
Baby.
I have work.
Work every time. Your work is beginning to eat into my time and I'm getting jealous. Lately, we don't even have time for each other.
Okay. I will try and come home early today.
You had better. Otherwise, you will have a lot of problems and I will be the author and finisher of all of them.
Oh.
Yes. And hey, if any girl makes a pass at you today, Tell them you're already taken. That you're mine.
Yes, ma'am. All yours.
Deal?
Deal.
Ah.
Wait. Don't you have classes? Shit.
I do.
You do? And you want a quickie?
You know,
I have to go. I'm gonna be late.
I know you want to. Just
Mm-mm.
you can even
Babe, can you just
leave
get
it for
dressed
me.
for your classes? What's wrong with you?
You wanna-
Stop!
Baby.
I have to go. Hey. Love you.
I love you, Mama. Ah, this man. No, stop it. Stop.
It's fine.
Stop
It's
it. What
fine.
are you doing?
It's fine. It's fine. I like to do chores in the
No,
morning.
no.
It's fine. Really, it's fine.
I can handle it, okay?
It's fine. I'm almost done.
No.
Okay. It's
No, please. Just allow me to take care of it, okay?
look. It's fine. All right. It's fine.
Don't you have a place to be at this morning?
Yes, I'll be meeting up with some clients later today, but it's fine.
Exactly. You're going to be late.
Divine,
This will delay you.
Divine,
Just
Divine.
allow me.
I promise you, it is fine. It's not a big deal.
Well, I insist. I will not let you do this. Not while I'm here.
Okay.
Good.
All right.
You're so stubborn. Come on, you don't have to do this. Please, don't try this next time, okay?
I'm sorry, ma.
Just allow the woman handle it. All right?
All right.
This guy. Let me just finish this up.
Where is this person? Come on, it's already late. You guys have been postponing this meeting all day. Can you be fast about it? Yes. Can I help you?
Hi, my name is Adana. I'm the lawyer representing Gigi and Sons.
You're late.
I'm aware.
And?
Can we proceed? Can I sit?
No, you can't sit.
You're a funny man. Let's proceed.
Hey, baby.
What's the time, Kelvin?
11. 6.
11:46. Where have you been? You promised to come back home early today.
Oh, shit. Baby. I'm sorry, okay? A potential client sent his rude lawyer to stand in for him. It was so frustrating working with her.
I don't care. You promised to come back home early today, Kevin.
I know, okay? I'm sorry.
Did you see my calls?
Mm-hmm. I saw it, but I was in a Zoom meeting for 4 hours. That's why I couldn't answer. But I called you back and you did not answer either.
I'm not speaking to you for the rest of the week.
Baby, come on.
I'm serious. I'm not joking. Are you not going to apologize to me? Kelvin? You know, just sleep. Just get up. You want to sleep, right? That's all you know how to do. Work and sleep, right? Sleep. You can sleep since that's all you know how to do. Sleep. Work and sleep.
I just hold you asleep.
Don't touch me.
I'm sorry.
It's open.
Hi.
Hello.
I saw this at a friend's store today, and I thought it would look great on you.
Really?
Yes.
That is so thoughtful of you. Wow.
You like it?
This is so nice. I love it.
I'm glad.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'll be in my room.
All right.
Babe,
Yeah?
will you be able to make it today?
Make it to what?
Babe, we're supposed to check out the wedding reception hall today.
Oh,
Don't tell me you've forgotten.
shoot, baby. I forgot. I can't make it. But you can go with your former.
But babe, you know I cannot go anywhere with your sister.
Why?
I don't know if you noticed, but your sister doesn't seem to like me very much.
Ifoma does not like anyone. Okay? And I think it's high time you guys started bonding. Look, I know she's a little protective of me, but she'll warm up to you. Trust me.
If you say so. Do you want me to make you breakfast?
Which of the breakfasts are we talking about?
Any type you want, baby.
As tempting as this one is, I'll pass.
You pass?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes, baby.
You pass on all of us?
All of that. I love you.
Love you more.
Love you.
Love you too. I believe I have to go with the former.
Hey, what's up, Chima?
What's up?
Any progress yet?
No.
Okay, so what's your verdict at this point?
Honestly, nothing yet. Just give me some more time, yeah?
Okay, I trust you.
All right, man.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Hey, you.
Hello.
What are you cooking?
I am cooking my special spaghetti bolognese. I remember you told me spaghetti was your favorite the other night, so...
Oh, yes, it is my all-time favorite. But I actually wanted to make toast for breakfast.
Toast? When I'm here. Please, that is never going to happen. As a matter of fact, if you taste my spaghetti once, I guarantee you will never want another toast for breakfast again.
You know, the way you've been hyping this your special spaghetti, what do you call it again?
Bolognese. Spaghetti bolognese.
I cannot wait to taste it.
Oh, you're going to love it.
See?
I guarantee you.
So, what can I help you with?
I'm actually almost done. You just stand there like the beautiful goddess that you are and wait. The meal will be ready in no time. Okay?
Okay. A domesticated carrot.
I try.
That's a rare find, though.
I know, right? It's hard to find men like me these days.
You're funny. Okay, I'll wait.
What's wrong? Rather long face.
You noticed?
Mm-hmm.
It's Kelvin and his sister.
What about them?
So, Kelvin and I are supposed to check out this wedding venue together. But now he claims he's busy and wants me to go with his sister instead, knowing fully well that his sister and I cannot stand each other.
Why would he do that?
Beats me. Perhaps he wants us to bond.
All right, listen to me. This is what you're going to do. You're going to make a joke out of every negative comment Ifoma makes, and you'll be fine.
Are you serious?
Hell no. Please don't take any advice I give you seriously. I give the worst advice.
Why can't you just be serious for once in your life? See me almost believing you.
All right, but for real though, just ignore her. That's the best way to deal with her. Okay?
Like I have a choice.
Come on, cheer up.
This your special food. How soon will it be ready?
You know what?
I'm famished. I'm really famished.
I can see that. You know what? Just wait for me in the sitting room. I'm going to let the food simmer. I will dish it and bring it to you.
Okay. Thank you. Hello?
Where are you?
Yes. I'm about to get ready to come to your place now.
There is no need to meet me at my house. I'm already coming to pick you. I checked the address my brother sent. That place is not ideal. But that's not the problem. I found 3 other better venues within the area. And I've also found someone to do the decorations.
Wait, what? I don't get it. Who asked you to do all this, Ifoma?
I've spoken with my brother already. He agrees with me about the aesthetic of the hall.
So you went over me to speak to your brother about our wedding?
Why would I need to check in with you first? He's the one paying for the wedding.
Because it is also my wedding, Ifoma.
How is it your wedding? What financial contribution are you making towards this wedding?
This is the height of disrespect.
Disrespectful? What's there to respect? My dear, you haven't earned my respect at all.
No. I've had enough. I can't take this anymore.
Good. You can leave. Nobody's forcing you to stay here with my brother.
Pick your call. Babe, what is this I'm hearing? What is this I'm hearing? No, don't tell me to calm down. Don't. You enable her. Because why would she go over me to speak to you about our wedding without contacting me first? Or checking in on me first? No, she did not. And if you cared about me, you could have called me first to ask me. Busy. That's the problem, babe. You're always busy. Kelvin, what is my favorite food? Just answer the damn question. Kelvin, rice and plantain is your favorite food. What is mine? You don't know. Kevin, you don't know the littlest things about me, and yet you want to marry me. Why? Why do you want to spend forever with me if you don't know little things about me? Oh, really? Kevin, this is not about food. It's not.
Ifoma, can you run everything by her? There's no need for you to call me. Just go with her so that she can make the decisions. Nobody's saying you're a driver, all right? Just take it as helping or filling in for me. Yes, come in. I'm in the office and you're stressing me. Huh? You're early.
Sorry I was late the other day. It's not who I am.
It took you a whole week to apologize.
Well, I wasn't going to, but I thought it would put a smile on your face and make you feel better since you're already so stressed.
Wait. You're apologizing, but you're not sorry.
I'm apologizing to make you feel better.
Wow. How do you tolerate yourself?
Well, I take it one step at a time. I mess up, I clean up, I forgive myself, and I move on.
But you haven't cleaned this mess.
I don't see any mess. Do you?
You not being sorry for your lateness is a mess.
I just apologized.
But you're not sorry.
Are we going to keep going back and forth about if I'm sorry or not? What does it really matter?
It matters. It means you take full responsibility.
Okay, I sincerely apologize for running late. I should have personally called you to tell you. But due to some unforeseen circumstances, I couldn't.
Thank you.
So why are you so stressed?
Let's get to work, please. You have the file with you?
Yeah, I do.
I'm sorry I couldn't ignore her.
It's fine, you don't have to apologize.
You know, I recently started asking myself if this is what I want. And that shouldn't be a question I should be asking myself at this point. I should be sure.
I totally get what you're saying. But why aren't you sure?
I don't know. Kelvin takes good care of me financially. But I still can't help but think that I'm a responsibility to him.
Hey, come on. Don't say that.
To make matters worse, his sister believes I'm just with him because of his money.
No.
Like I'm a gold digger.
No. No. Oh, listen to me. You are not a gold digger, Divine. You're a strong, beautiful woman who can make anything happen for herself. Okay?
Thank you. Enough about me. Let's talk about you. So tell me, how did your pitch today go?
It was fantastic. As a matter of fact, I'm expecting something huge from this deal.
Awesome. I hope you get it.
I hope I get it too, to be honest.
So, why is a fine, successful, caring, kind one like you still single?
Well, maybe because all the good women are hard to find these days.
You honestly don't believe that, do you?
I do.
Wow.
All the good women I know are already taken.
Right. You know, I know a few good women I could
Don't
intro-
even try. Don't try to matchmake me right now.
But you said you were looking for
I'm not
good
even
women.
thinking. Don't do it. I don't need any matchmaking right now. I'm good.
Good women, oh. Say you say you want good women.
I don't need it.
You don't need it.
I'm fine.
Okay. You are going to stay single forever then.
Wow, I am so glad we were able to finish on time.
Yeah, hopefully by the end of this month we will be done.
Don't get your hopes too high. Well, you're not such a bad person.
I know.
When I first met you, I thought you were so freaking annoying.
Annoying is an understatement. At the office, they call me Jezebel.
Jezebel.
Yeah. And honestly, I find it very offensive because Jezebel is not as badass as I am. She can't keep up. She's old school.
Wow, O'Shea buddy.
Yeah, you know it.
You know, you make it so easy to talk to you. How'd you do it?
Well, I have this lipstick that I wear. When I put it on, it makes everything I say sound very interesting.
I see you got jokes.
You know, are you hungry? I'm going to get dinner.
I have to get home.
It's for a wife or a girlfriend?
A fiance.
Good for you. You're a lucky man.
Thank you, Jezebel.
Okay.
Take care.
Baby?
Hey.
Babe,
Hmm?
I'm thinking of organizing a picnic this weekend. We could go to the beach or the park. What do you think?
Yeah, I should be home this weekend.
Nice. So I'll need some money to plan the picnic.
Oh. How much?
About 200.
200. Alright. Sent it.
That's my baby.
Oh.
Yes. So, should I bring your food here? Babe. This guy.
Hello, sir? Oh my God. What? When did that happen? Okay, sir. I'll be there tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
how long are you going to be there?
3 weeks to a month. I don't know.
3 weeks?
Yeah.
Babe, that's such a long time.
Babe. Look, I know it's a long time, but I'll be back before you know it. Besides, you have Chima here to keep you company. It's not like you're going to be all alone in this house.
Babe, I don't want Chima. It's you I want. Besides, you promised me that you were going to be around this weekend.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm so sorry.
You don't like to keep to your promises. Just let me know.
Are you still talking?
Yes, I am. I'm still talking. Baby, stop.
You're
Stop.
still talking?
Stop.
Huh? You're still talking?
Take me, stop.
Huh? Take this. Tell me, any updates? Look, I think you should try harder, okay? Just keep trying. Don't worry. I'll see you when I get back, okay? All right, take care.
Hello. Welcome. How are you doing?
I don't know. I am super tired. Oh.
I can imagine. Have you had something to eat?
Nope. I had a very busy day. I couldn't make out time to eat anything.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
All right, let me go get you something to eat.
No, don't bother yourself. I'll sort myself out later.
Please. Now, what kind of man would I be if I let my cousin's fiance starve? So you just sit here, relax, and I will get you something delicious.
How sweet. Oh my God, the sun outside. It's crazy. Okay.
So wait, this is your friend Susan. What did the lecturer say to her?
That's the problem. The younger lecturer that she likes is not interested in her.
Is it a lie?
I'm serious. Stop laughing, Joe.
I'm sorry, but that is just sad. Why are you looking at me like that?
Nothing. This shirt looks really good on you.
Thank you.
Okay, now you're the one looking at me. Get out.
Hello? Kello, how far now? I'm actually on my way to the backyard. I want to wash some clothes. Oh, okay. All right, sure. Yeah, hello, Kevin. I just sent it to you on WhatsApp. All right, now. All right, later.
Divine. Talk to that guy for me, man. You know I like him. What are you waiting for?
Baby girl, calm down. I'm trying to understand him first before I bring up the issue.
What do you need to understand him for?
So I know how to package you very well.
Yeah. Babe. Now you dey talk like this. You know They see me. Full package.
Okay.
Yes, they dear.
Wahala.
You need to talk. Black breast, nko. Fine skin.
Plus flat tummy.
Chai. You don't talk.
Is it the face? Everything 10 over 10.
Let me talk to that
I
guy.
will talk to him. Just
You
relax.
accept.
Relax, babe. Okay.
That guy fine shower.
Easy does it. Okay. Don't worry.
Hey, that class.
I beg, no bring any class thing. Give me, I want rest. Every
You know
time.
your like school.
I beg.
Me, I want to do my assignment.
You go do for me, Abby.
You say listen.
No more food, though.
Come in.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. So, Kelvin asked me to get some documents for him from the drawer while I was washing, and I noticed you had some dirty clothes, so I thought I'd help you wash them.
Thank you. But you didn't have to.
Nah, it's fine. It's not a problem. I know you've been overworking yourself lately between planning for the wedding, preparing for your exams, so you'd barely have time to do these things. Besides, it's the least I could do to say thank you for letting me stay in your house.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you later then.
Impressive.
Hello? Babe, look, I had a long day. I'm just coming back from the meeting. Can I call you later? Please.
Baby, what's happening? We haven't spoken in almost 3 days. You always say you'll call me back, but you never call me back. Babe, I am equally having a headache. I am tired and I need to sleep. But despite all that, I still want to talk to you. I can't sleep until I finish reading this material. If that's what you want.
Hey. No, just wait. Take it easy. Take it easy. Sorry. Hey, easy. How are you feeling?
I feel so lightheaded.
Sorry.
What I remember is I was going to the kitchen to get water. What happened?
I think you passed out.
I passed out.
Mm-hmm.
How long was I out for?
A few minutes, give or take. I was even about to call Kelvin.
No. Don't do that. There is no need to bother him with this.
Okay. Well, you still need to go to the hospital.
No. I'm fine. It's just fatigue. I haven't exactly been eating or sleeping well lately.
You sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, come on. Let's get you to the room. All right, let me help you. Easy.
What's the time?
Where are you rushing to?
I'm going to be late for school.
It's past 12. Relax. You're not late. Your class rep already called and I told him you were sick. I also told him to help you sign your attendance sheet, so relax.
Really?
Okay? Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So how are you feeling today?
I think I feel better.
You sure?
Yeah.
Good. I brought you something to eat. I will just put this down here.
That's very thoughtful of you.
I try.
Thank you.
You stop thanking me. It's my job to take care of you.
Did Kelvin call?
No, he hasn't called yet. I tried calling him, but I guess he's busy.
Okay.
All right then.
Chima,
Yeah?
can you please stay with me?
Sure. Sure. All right.
Oh,
How's the head?
much better.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I'm ready to eat now.
We can eat, I guess.
No, I'm not hungry. I just brought it for you.
Honestly, I am taking it upon myself to find you a girlfriend. And I think my friend in Chem is a perfect fit.
What? The same one I made the other day?
Yes?
Nah, I'll pass.
Why?
She's not my type.
Not your type. Okay, what kind of woman are you looking for?
Honestly, I'm not even sure anymore.
How do you mean?
I mean, I don't know. I just haven't given it much thought lately. So I don't know.
Okay, so what used to be your preference? The first time you fell in love? What attracted you to the woman?
Her laughter.
Her laughter?
Yes. I
Okay.
loved the way she laughed. And as crazy as it sounds, that was what caught my attention.
Wow, that's new. Why then did you guys break up?
I don't know. I guess I wasn't the one she wanted.
You're a good man. Don't worry, you will find your perfect person. Okay?
When? In what universe? Unless you want to leave Kelvin for me.
Oh my god. What?
Has anybody ever told you you have a beautiful laugh?
Stop it.
No, I'm serious. Kelvin is a very lucky man. Look, Kelvin, I can assure you, she is fine. She's doing fine, man. You have nothing to worry about. Just relax. No. She doesn't want to talk to you. Look, man, just relax. She's fine, okay? All right, now I'll talk to you later. All right, safe. Divine. Divine, what's going on now?
Nothing. Nothing is going on.
Look, Kelvin has been blowing up my phone because you refused to pick his call. Talk to me. What's going on?
Chima, it's not just one thing, okay? You know, sometimes I think I'm making a wrong decision. I mean, what am I doing with a man that can go days without speaking to me?
Don't think about
Make it make sense.
Divine, Don't think about it like that. Okay, he's probably just busy.
Nobody is too busy. Nobody. He calls his mom. He calls his boss. He speaks to his sister. And then when it comes to me, he's too busy. He cannot even take 5 minutes out of 72 hours to speak to me. Come on. Listen, Kelvin and I are... Never mind.
Hey. Mama, don't do that.
Do what?
Say what you wanted to say.
I didn't want to say anything.
Divine, stop it. Say what you wanted to say.
Chima, there is nothing to say. Okay?
You sure?
Positive.
Well, Divine, I don't know what you're getting worked up over. I'm telling you, he's just busy. Okay?
Okay. I've heard you.
You good?
Excellent.
Okay.
Babe, have you downloaded this Mr. Sosa's course?
It's true. Do you know I forgot?
Yeah, I just downloaded the PDF.
Please forward it to me. Sharp, sharp.
That reminds me. Divine, what's up? What's up with that your prospective brother-in-law? What's up with him? Have you been able to talk to him for me?
Yes, I did. I spoke to him.
Okay, so what did he say?
Nothing much.
Which one is nothing much? Is he single? Does he like me? That's what I want to know.
He says you're not his spec.
What?
I'm sorry.
What does he mean by that?
That's what he said.
See someone I'm trying to manage. He's not even fine.
You see? Hey, but Nkem, you said the guy was the finest guy you've seen in your entire life.
It was a slip of tongue.
Ah.
That guy is not fine. I was just trying to manage him.
Good. This girl. Girl.
Hey, I'm not his spec. Yeah. Oh.
Don't mind him. You're a full option. What are you doing?
It's late. Go to bed.
This guy. Stop.
Go to bed.
Go away. Give it to me. Go away. Stop it. If you touch this laptop one more time, I swear to God, I will cut off your hand.
Really?
Yes. Try me.
Well, that is a sacrifice I'm willing to make for you. Go to bed.
Look, Chima, I have to submit this assignment tomorrow morning.
I'll do it for you. Come on, go to bed.
How are you going to...
What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
I did this course in school and I can handle it.
Are you for real?
Yes. Now go to bed. I don't like to see you stressed out like this. Come on, go to bed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really? Thank you.
You're welcome. What's in bed, Joe?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good night.
Good night.
What are you cooking? Can I help? You're overpouring the water. That's fine. That's okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay, so what can I help you with?
I'm actually almost done.
Right. I'll be in the living room then.
Okay.
Guess who has been a naughty boy?
Yes. I've been a naughty boy. You should punish me. I'll stop teasing me. What's wrong with you?
Chima! Chima!
You look so sexy in those shorts. Oh, I've been a naughty boy.
Chima! Chima!
So, Divine, what's up?
Chima, I've been knocking on your door since. Who were you talking to in your sleep?
I was?
Yes.
What was I saying?
You said a lot of things, though.
Like what?
Some of the things you said I cannot repeat.
Oh my god. Oh my god, was it that bad?
Yes, it was bad. Anyways, I was wondering why you had not come downstairs, so I decided to come check on you. Now that I see that you're fine and you were just daydreaming, I'd better take my leave.
I am so sorry.
Enjoy yourself. Chima! Chima, where are you? Oh, Chima!
What's up?
Chima, guess what?
What?
Guess who got the highest score on the assignment you helped her with?
Are you serious? Yes, you got the highest score. Okay. Where's my reward?
Anything you want, just name it.
Rich kid.
Anything. Stop playing.
Okay, give me a minute. I need to draw up a list for you.
Okay, calm down. You're not today hot. Wait, my phone is ringing. God, I'm so happy. Honestly, like I literally was the highest. Excuse me. Hello? Oh, really? All right, that's fine. I will be there. Okay. Thank you.
Is something wrong?
A friend of mine just invited me for a party, but Nkem doesn't want to go for it. And I don't want to go alone. Will you go with me?
If you ask me nicely.
All right. Chima, will you kindly go with me to the party? Please?
Let's see. I'll have to think about it.
Yes! That's a yes! Thank you. Let me go and change. Woo! I'm so excited.
Jesus Christ. these women and their makeup.
Chai! Nne, this is glorious. You are looking mwah. Just negodu now. Negodu container of beauty. Nne, give me a turn around. Give me a turn around. Turn around. Chai! Hey!
Nne, people, call ambulance. Also, so heart attack.
Do you need CPR?
Nne, with immediate effect.
You're so silly.
Wow. God really took his time with you. You look absolutely stunning.
Thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Well, thank you. Ngwanu, I go.
Can't be so dramatic.
Oh my God.
All hail the queen of our fatherland.
Very well said, my loyal servant.
At your service, my queen. Easy. Oh my God.
It's always fun to be with you. I like you.
Really?
I like you a lot.
What's the problem?
I said stand up from the bed! Oh my God.
Divine, what's the problem?
Chima, did you touch me? Please, tell me we didn't do anything. Stop touching me! You allowed me do this, Chima. You just get out! Get out! I don't want to do anything! Get out!
Divine, can you
Get out!
just calm down?
Please, I cannot believe this. Oh, I cannot believe I did this. What was I thinking? Divine? Oh, I've committed a sacrilege. I'm committed it. Oh, was I thinking? Oh, you thinking, Divine? I let him touch me. What have I done to myself? Divine, what have you done to yourself? Hi, babe.
Hey!
Welcome back.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm good.
So tell me, why are you angry?
I'm not angry. I'm just surprised.
Well, if you had returned my calls or replied my messages, I would have told you I was coming back. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Very fine. Welcome.
Good. Hey, Shiva.
What's up now? Welcome home. How's your trip?
It was crazy. How far? Any updates?
Nothing yet.
Really?
Yeah. I'll be leaving for Abuja this Friday.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I have some things to tidy up.
Okay. Bye, man. Thank you. Baby, tell me, why were you ignoring me?
Because I was angry.
Why were you angry?
Because of the way you were acting every time I called. But now that you're back home, I'm no longer angry.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. Well, I'm hungry. Is there anything to eat?
I'll just go fix something for you to eat now.
Okay. Thank you. I told you it was a no-go.
Like this guy is playing for
You saw that, right?
Jesus Christ.
Pass this ball now. Hey, babe. Yo. Am I missing something?
Something like what?
Divine has been acting very weird since I got back. You know, she's usually very jovial and all over the place. But now she seems distant.
I don't know. She seems pretty normal to me. Just look at these guys. Look at these guys for crying out loud.
I'll just turn off this TV.
This much is annoying me. Let me help you, Lance.
Stop. Don't worry, I can handle it.
Divine, can you stop acting like this?
Stop acting like how?
You're acting like something is wrong. You're even starting to notice.
How am I supposed to act? Huh? Every time I see him, I feel like I'm a sinner.
Can't you just act like everything is fine?
No, I can't.
Look, Divine, if you really want to stay with Kelvin, you need to snap out of this.
Snap out of this?
Yes. Just pretend like nothing happened between us.
Nothing happened, Chima, and you know it.
What's our equal things?
Nothing.
Like we were just talking about one of those TV shows we watched earlier.
Yes.
Oh, a show that nothing happened in.
The show was actually very boring, right?
Yeah.
Very boring show.
Okay, looking for my cufflinks. Do you know where I kept it?
It's on the... You know what? Let me just help you get it. Baby, please.
Please, what?
The shoes.
What shoes are you talking about?
The one you said you were going to buy for me?
No more shopping.
I'm bribing you.
With what?
Kisses?
Don't bribe me. Do not.
Baby, please, no. Why are you acting like this?
You not bribe me.
Babe.
Why am I acting?
Babe,
Yeah?
when is your cousin leaving?
I don't know. Why?
Nothing. I'm just tired of seeing him around the house.
Wait. How are you suddenly tired of seeing him around the house? I thought you two were getting along.
Yes, we get along. But he's been here for over a month now. How much longer does he plan on staying here for?
Babe, I don't know. But I'm sure he will leave soon, okay?
Okay.
And no shoes.
Baby, please, no.
You've been shopping. You've been buying.
Please.
Stop. Why is this number sending me a video?
Hey,
Hey,
what's wrong?
nothing.
Okay. Come on, talk to me. What's wrong with you?
For God's sake, I am fine. Nothing is wrong with me.
You're not fine, Divine. I saw you crying.
So what if I was crying? Huh? What are you going to do about it?
I'm sorry. Okay.
It's not your fault.
I really am. I'm sorry. I feel like I complicated your life even more.
No, Chima, you did not complicate anything. All of this is on me. Kelvin doesn't deserve this kind of deception from me. Now imagine if Kelvin does this exact thing to me. How would I feel? This is not the kind of person I want to become. I am so ashamed of myself.
Stop. It's fine, stop crying. Stop crying. I'm sorry. Alright?
Hi, baby. Babe.
Do not touch me.
Babe. What's wrong?
I want you to tell me the truth.
Okay.
What happened between you and Chima when I was away?
Babe, I don't understand. How do you mean?
Do not make me repeat myself. I already know everything. I just want to hear the truth from you.
Who told you?
Who were you expecting to tell me?
Baby, I'm sorry.
I was not expecting this from you. I am so disappointed.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I honestly do not know what came over me. I just had too much to drink
That is a
night.
stupid excuse.
I know, and I am sorry, baby. Please.
Is this the first time this is happening?
Yes, I swear this is the first time since we started dating. I have never slept with any other man before. What happened with Chima was it was a stupid mistake. It was just a one-time thing. I promise you, it was just once, baby.
Did you sleep with Chima? Answer me!
Baby,
Chima! Chima!
babe,
Chima!
babe.
What is wrong with you? Chima! What is wrong with you?
Kelvin, please calm down. Please calm down.
We had an agreement. You were not supposed to sleep with her! That was the only one rule!
I'm sorry. Okay, we were drunk. It wasn't supposed to happen. I'm sorry.
You sorry?
I'm sorry. Please.
He was not supposed to sleep with me. I don't understand.
So everything they said about you is true.
Everything who said?
A couple of weeks ago, I started receiving several text messages warning me about you. You were just who they say you are.
Who are the people that told you things about me?
I am giving both of you an hour head start. By the time I get back to this house, I don't want to see any of you in this house. Damn you!
You had an agreement that you were not supposed to sleep with me. Please explain. Please.
Divine, I'm sorry. Okay, I told him it was a bad idea.
What was a bad idea? What?
Testing you.
What?
I'm sorry. Please.
Bro, you know, marriage is a long-term thing, and I don't want to go into it blind.
But you said you were sure about this girl, no?
Yeah, but I'm having little doubts about her.
Why?
Well, to start off, Ifeoma does not like her.
Please, is that all? We both know Ifeoma doesn't like anybody.
Well, that's not all. You know, shortly after our engagement, I started getting anonymous calls and text messages warning me that she's a loose girl.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Look, I don't want what happened with Dima to repeat itself again.
Bro, Dima did you dirty. I'm not even gonna lie. And if not for Ifeoma, you'd have married that girl, though.
Yeah.
By now you'd be raising another man's child. Nah.
That's why I need your help. You're handsome, women like you. I just want to test her to know if she's loose or not.
You're sure you want to do this? I mean, this whole arrangement could go bad. What if she finds out and breaks up with you?
What if she doesn't? Look, put yourself in my shoes. Wouldn't you want to find out if the woman you're going to spend the rest of your life with is loose or not?
Definitely.
Yeah. Please, look, I need your help.
Alright, man, let's do this.
My brother!
Got you.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Kelvin called me about 5 weeks ago and asked me to come over. Divine, I am so sorry. Please, I'm
And you agreed to this?
sorry.
Chima, you must be so proud of yourself. Master of deception. Clap for yourself, Chima. Clap for yourself. Ah! Chima, you were such a pathetic liar.
I'm sorry. Please.
You are good. You are so good.
Divine, please.
Don't you dare define me. Don't try it. There is a special seat reserved in hell for you. When you get there, Lucifer will hand you an award.
Divine, please, don't say that. Look, I changed my mind about the whole agreement from the very first time I saw you.
I must be such a big fool. I'm such a fool. Was there even anything real about you?
Don't say that. No, I'm sorry. Please. Please.
The fact that he set me up like that already shows that he didn't trust me.
Babe. Wait, you're the one that cheated on someone, yet you're the one calling the person out for not trusting you. Nne, what do you smoke?
Stop. You're not making it easy for me.
What do you want me to do? I should hold your hands and sing for you? You cheated, so live with your consequences. And welcome back to the streets. Babe, cheer up now. It's not a big deal, okay? You know what? We'll go clubbing later. Just like we used to do before you and Kelvin became a thing. Divine, cheer up. You know, say you be hot, babe. You said. My baby, this so Divine.
Yeah, come in.
Hi, Kelvin. Can I talk to you?
I'm listening. You don't have to sit.
Okay. I am sorry for hurting you the way I did.
No, you're not sorry. You only feel guilty. Did you even love me? Because if you loved me enough, you wouldn't have slept with my cousin.
You're right. And I know that things can never go back to the way they used to be.
No. It wouldn't.
I've come to accept that. And I understand that I have to live with the consequences of my actions. Kelvin, even though I don't deserve your forgiveness, I hope that one day you will find a place in your heart to forgive me. I am sorry. I am deeply sorry for everything. Really, really sorry, Kelvin. That's what I came here to tell you. I'll be on my way out now.
Okay. Goodbye.
Babe, you're still on the bed. Is it on top of this bed you're going to write your exams? What has happened has happened. Please get up and go and write your exams.
Please, do you have any painkillers? My whole body hurts.
Your body hurts.
What's funny?
I'll be pain of heartbreak. The pain reliever is in the drawer, okay? Let me go get you some food.
Thank you, Kim.
Okay. Thank you, eh?
It's right there in the wardrobe.
Okay. Big girl. Since when did Nkem buy a second phone?
This one is fine.
Okay. Let me even see what I look like.
See me looking. Nah, I don't like the way I look. It's kind of while I'll be this.
Delete, please. Delete. Delete, delete. Wait, what?
No. This is not what I think it is. This. Are you Oh my God.
What are you doing with my phone? Give me my phone. Why are you going through my phone?
Okay. What was that I just watched? You sent that video to Kelvin?
What is wrong with you?
Why is Kelvin's number on your phone? Why is it the only number on this phone? And why is it the only number you've been calling? Okay, make me understand. Why did you send those videos and messages to Kelvin?
You shouldn't have gone through my phone.
I thought you were my friend. What did I do? Why would you tell such horrible lies against me, Nkem? Why would you tell a man that I was going to get married to such lies? Why?
I thought it was a prank. But I didn't know he was going to take it as seriously.
What stupid prank is that, Nkem? When have I ever been a loose woman? Huh?
Oh, please.
Now that we have broken up, I hope you're very happy.
Oh, please. Don't put that on me.
But that's what you wanted, right?
Of course. I've always wanted it. Yeah. Let us all be single together. Let's go back to the street. Since you people in relationship would not introduce us to your boyfriend's friends. Oh, that day I saw you with him, you told me Chima was not interested in me.
Was that why you did this?
Immediately I saw you grinding on him. I knew something was going on between the both of you.
So you were jealous?
Your food is there. If you like, eat. If you like, don't eat.
Nkem, come back here. Nkem, come back here. Don't do so stupid. Don't feel away from me. I don't need it. And just so you know, this friendship is over. We're done. I cannot be friends with a liar and a betrayer. I can't believe she did. I can't believe she did this.
And this is where we draw the curtains for today to be continued. Honestly, working with you has been very interesting. Is everything okay? You've been gloomy today.
I'm just tired.
Is everything okay at home?
My fiancée and I broke up.
Oh no.
She cheated on me with my cousin.
That's horrible.
Yeah. Better a broken engagement than a broken marriage.
True. I know this isn't much, but if I buy you a drink, would it make you feel better?
Yeah, I would like that.
Okay, I know a place where we can get great cocktails and mock your fiancé. Okay, you're with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Chima,
Hey,
hi. What are you doing here?
I got a text from Kelvin. He asked me to come over, said it was urgent.
Likewise, he sent me a text saying I should come over. So see,
Yeah, this is the same one I got. I even tried calling him, but he didn't respond.
yeah, I sent him messages, but he didn't respond either.
Oh, wow. How cute. I see both of you came together.
I got your text and I was worried. Is everything okay?
Well, that's your business. Chima.
Kelvin, it's nice to see you in a good mood again.
Oh, yes, I am actually in a very, very good mood. And that is why I invited you here. You know, thank you for opening my eyes because I would have been married to the wrong woman. And you, Divine, thank you for messing up. Because if you hadn't, I wouldn't have made the right choice. Babe, Delilah and Judas Iscariots are here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's how we call you, right?
Aw, it's so nice to finally meet you too. Shima, I suppose?
Yes.
How are you?
Um,
Sorry, I don't want to stain my outfit. And what's Delilah's real name?
Divine.
That's a lovely name, Divine. I just wanted to see you in person and thank you for deciding to leave when you did. You know? Our wedding is next week. If you're interested in the celebration, you're invited.
that's nice. Where's the venue?
Well, you want to come? That's not a problem. I can send your invites to you. But right now, my baby and I, we have to get ready to meet real friends to help with the preparation of our wedding. So if you don't mind excusing your cheating selves out of my house, we have to go. Baby,
Yeah, you know what to do.
let's go inside. Oh. After you.
I'm sorry. What just happened?
Well, I guess we are officially forgiven.
With a sprinkle of humiliation, yeah? And an expensive one at that. I can't believe I flew all the way from Abuja for this.
I'm
Wow.
I'm off.
Hey, Divine. You're still as beautiful as Harry.
Thank you.
I miss you. I can't seem to get you out of my head.
Chima, have you forgotten what happened? You set me up. You deceived me. You lied to me.
Divine, I know. And I'm sorry, okay? But somewhere in the midst of all that games, I fell deeply in love with you. Look, Divine, I know that I've officially earned the title of Judas Iscariot. But I'd really love it if you'd let me reintroduce myself.
Was there anything real with the first Chima I met?
From the very moment you got me that shirt, everything was real.
I want that Chima back. The Chima that was caring, kind, sweet. I want him back.
And that Shima is all he was. I missed you so much. Come on, let's get out of here before Kelvin gets back. How have you been?
Everywhere.